Assalamualaikum student of class 10. I am your ICT teacher Khurshid Rani from Square High School and College, and today I am going to show you the use of eraser tool and creating blend with gradient tool of Photoshop program, which is from your ICT book chapter 5. So let's get started. When any color is erased by the eraser tool, the color is covered with the color of the canvas or background. Okay, I am taking the eraser tool. Okay, if the color of the canvas is white, it seems that the color is being erased. But if the color is different, suppose I am taking red, then it will be viewed. Okay student, the picture on transparent layer will be simply erased. Now press cap lock to erase a minute detail, and the eraser tool will take the shape of plus sign. Okay, the editing of small part will be done then. The work of erasing can be done by selecting a brush, pencil or block. I am taking a pencil. And again I am taking block. Okay. The work of erasing can be done by the selecting brush, pencil or block from the list of the mode drop down of the option bar on eraser tool. Okay, the rubber eraser works like an electronic version if a block is selected. The opacity option of other tool can be used if they've been selected. Here I am selecting brush, then you have to choose the opacity option. I am changing the opacity, and now it will be viewed like this. Okay, I am changing the opacity 100%, then it will be viewed like this. Okay, the paint bucket tool is kept on the same position of the gradient tool. Okay, if you select gradient tool, icons of creating 5 kinds of gradient will be viewed on the option bar. For example, linear gradient, radial gradient, angle gradient, reflected gradient and diamond gradient. Okay, blending of a color from the beginning to the end is called blend. The color blurs from the beginning edge to another in linear blend. On the contrary, a radial blend, the color diffuses either from the center to the periphery or the periphery to the center. Okay, now how to create linear blend with gradient tool. At first I am making a selection. After selecting the gradient tool, bring the mouse on the canvas and it will be transformed into a plus sign. Now drag it from the left middle of the selection to the other end and release the pressure of the finger from the mouse pointer. It will be viewed that the selection starting with the deep black color gradually diffuses to the end. Okay, a blend can be created from all directions. Suppose if anything is not selected, the blend will be created throughout the screen. And for that, I am taking a blank page and making a linear gradient on the blank page, and it will be look like that. Okay, one thing is that the color of the gradient will be the same of the color of the foreground. If you change the color of the foreground, suppose I am taking red, then the color of the gradient will be red. Okay, now activate the radial gradient icon on the option bar by clicking it for creating radial gradient. The mouse after bringing onto the screen will be transformed into plus sign. Now drag it from the middle of the selection to the other end and release the pressure of the finger from the mouse pointer. Okay. Okay student, that was all about for today. In next class I will show you how to edit gradient. Till then, goodbye.